Want to understand and earn in crypto? Then listen carefully to all the tips, especially the 5th and 10th. Enjoy listening. 1. Understanding what cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrency is a digital form of money based on blockchain technology. Unlike traditional currencies, it's not issued by a central bank. Bitcoin is the most well-known, but there are thousands more: Ethereum, Solana, Litecoin, and others. It's decentralized, meaning that transactions are verified by network participants instead of banks. Before investing, learn key terms: blockchain, mining, wallets, tokens. Crypto isn't easy money. It's a volatile and risky asset. Start by studying educational materials from trusted sources. Understanding the fundamentals is your best tool. Without it, you'll rely on others and risk losing money. Knowledge is power in the crypto world. 2. How to choose a reliable crypto exchange. Choosing the right crypto exchange is your first important step. Not all platforms are equally safe. Focus on those with a strong reputation, high trading volume, and regulatory compliance. Binance, Bybit, and Kraken are popular for beginners. Check fees, whether they support fiat currencies like USD or RUB, user interface, and customer support. Security is crucial. Look for two-factor authentication, 2FA, anti-phishing tools, and withdrawal protection. Avoid little-known or promo platforms. They're often scams. Read reviews, test with a small deposit, and don't risk everything on one platform. 3. Hot versus cold wallets. What's the difference? A wallet stores your cryptocurrency. Hot wallets are apps connected to the internet, convenient for daily use, but vulnerable to hacks. Cold wallets, like hardware devices, e.g. Ledger, Trezor, are offline and much safer for long-term storage. The best practice is to use both. Keep small amounts in a hot wallet for regular use and store larger amounts in a cold wallet. Never store all your assets in one place, especially not on an exchange. Back up your wallet data and store it securely. Managing your wallets wisely ensures long-term safety. 4. Two-factor authentication. Protect yourself. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Don't rely on passwords alone. If someone steals it, your crypto is gone. Use an app like Google Authenticator or Authy to generate time-based one-time codes. Avoid SMS-based 2FA, which is easier to intercept. Set up 2FA on all your exchange and wallet accounts, and securely save backup codes. Never share these with anyone. Properly configured 2FA drastically reduces the risk of unauthorized access and protects your funds even if your password gets leaked. 5. Avoid scams and fake projects. Crypto is full of scams. Be cautious of investment offers promising guaranteed profits, giveaways, or messages from celebs asking you to send crypto first. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Never share your wallet keys or seed phrases, and always double-check URLs before entering login data. Research every project using trusted platforms like CoinMarketCap. Read white papers, look at the team, etc., and study community feedback. If you feel pressure to act fast, step back. Caution is your best defense. 6. Storing private keys and seed phrases safely. Your private key or seed phrase is the only way to access your wallet. If you lose it, you lose everything. No recovery options. Never store them online, in cloud services, or as screenshots. Write them down on paper and store them in a secure, offline location. Ideally, keep backups in different physical places. Seed phrases, 12 or 24 words, restore your wallet entirely. Treat them like digital gold. Never share them. Not even with support staff. Controlling your keys means controlling your crypto. 7. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto markets are volatile. Prices can rise 200% and crash 90% in days. Never invest your life savings, take out loans, or bet on a single coin. Only invest disposable income. Before putting money into crypto, build an emergency fund to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This helps you stay calm during market drops and avoid emotional decisions. A disciplined financial approach is your best protection against loss. Patience and strategy always beat greed and panic. 8. Investing versus trading. Know the difference. Investing is buying assets for long-term growth. Trading is actively buying and selling to profit from short-term price moves. Trading requires deep market knowledge, time, and emotional discipline. Beginners should focus on investing, pick quality projects, and hold. Trading can lead to fast losses due to emotional decisions or leverage misuse. If you want to try trading, start with a demo account. Learn charts, risk management, and 9. Market volatility is normal. Crypto is one of the most volatile markets. It's common to see daily swings of 10 to 30%. Beginners often panic during crashes or FOMO into rallies. Learn to accept volatility as part of the game. Don't check prices every hour. Focus on your long-term plan. Consider using dollar-cost averaging, DCA. Invest a fixed amount regularly regardless of price. Don't let emotions drive your actions. Volatility brings opportunity, but only if you stay calm and consistent in your strategy. 10. Legal status and crypto taxes. Crypto regulation varies by country. In many regions, including Russia, crypto is legal to own but not to use as official currency. You may need to report profits and pay taxes on trading, staking, or sales. Keep detailed records of your transactions, buy-sell dates, amounts, and prices. This makes tax filing easier and protects you in audits. Consult a local accountant or legal expert to stay compliant. Tax issues may not matter today, but they definitely will in the future.